Hey there coffee lovers, Logan here, professional barista for MajestyCoffee.com, and today we're going over how to program and operate your Mazzer Super Jolly Espresso grinder. Let's get started. To power on your grinder, simply flip the switch on the side and your light will illuminate. Once you power off, that light will also turn off, indicating your machine is powered down. So your Super Jolly comes with a series of buttons on the control panel that will help you program your machine, including a single, double dose, a continuous dosing button, your menu button, and a plus and minus to help you adjust all of those. First off, let's program our single dose by pressing and holding the menu button until your screen begins to flash. Once it flashes, we'll select our single, and at this point we can use the plus and minus to move up and down to change our dosing time. Once we find our desired time, you can press and hold your menu button. The screen should flash and then your time has been saved into your control panel. Next, let's program our double dose by pressing and holding the menu button once more, waiting for that flash on the screen, and then pressing our double dose, selecting our desired time here, and then pressing that menu button to once again save it in there. Once you get that flash, you are good to go. Go ahead and tear out your portafilter and then place it underneath of your grinding chamber in order to weigh out your desired dose. Also included on your control panel is a continuous dosing button. All you need to do is place your portafilter underneath your grinding chamber, press and hold this, and it will begin to continuously dose espresso. To adjust your grind, be sure to install your handle on the side so you can rotate that micrometric adjustment back and forth. Clockwise makes it a coarser grind, and counterclockwise makes it a finer grind, as pictured here. To remove your hopper for nightly cleaning, simply close your chute all of the way, ensuring that you can see it pokes through on the other side so that no beans will fall out when removing your hopper. You're going to then want to unscrew your screw right on the side here that's holding your hopper into place, and at this point you can remove your hopper and clean out your burr set. You can also completely remove the lid of your control panel and clip it onto the side whilst cleaning out your inner grind chamber. So I hope you were able to learn a bit more about programming and using your Super Jolly Espresso grinder. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. After that, head on over to MajestyCoffee.com to check out machines like the Mazzer Super Jolly and many more. Our friendly customer support is standing by via live chat or phone to help you make the right decision. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.